Alright, so this is my second attempt at doing 70-18 stick welding. So let's go ahead and do this real quick.
Alright, you ready?
I'm ready.
Alright, what's the word?
Clear. Oh yeah. So we had a little bit of technical difficulties with him, and we're gonna fix this real quick. Alright, so let's take a look at my welds here. So if we come up close, so Henry, he actually started off right there, so I just went on top of his real quick, but here's the rest of my weld. Let's hit it with the slag hammer and see what this looks like. Alright.
Well, I messed up and the stick got stuck to it, so.
That's